Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be showing you the second-hand bike that I bought. So since I got the new bike, will I be selling the NS200? The answer to that is no, that's not happening. I'll be keeping both the bikes. So the second-hand bike that I got has almost double the power and is almost double the cc than my NS200. And the bike is right beside me. I'll show you right now. So here it is guys, this is my 2016 Duke 390. So when I took delivery of it, it had 10,300 kilometers on the odo, and before buying it I had checked the full service history and everything of it at the KTM dealership for the service records and everything was clean. There were no accidents, nothing was reported. So as you can see, in the bike is very clean. In terms of performance, it's completely stock. Other than that, it just has a few additional accessories which I got, which the previous owner had fitted. So right now what I'll do is I'll tell you what I got with the bike and what I've removed and what I've fitted additional. First I'll just show you a few pics of the bike, how it was before when I bought it. So guys, right now what I'll do is I'll tell you what all I got with the bike. So the first thing is these handle risers. See these handlebar risers, these were already fitted by the previous owner, and it just makes the bike more comfortable to ride. So that's the first thing. The second thing is these paddock stand spools. See, I don't know the cost of these and all, but they were already fitted by the previous owner. Then the third thing is the bike had handguards. They had white color handguards. So what I did was I removed the handguards because I've given them for painting. So once that is done, I'll be fitting them back. And the fourth thing is these fog lamps. So these fog lamps also quite big. I don't know, I don't like the look of it, but they are very useful at night. So this is another additional thing that was already there. So the fifth thing guys is the hazard flasher. So the bike was already pre-installed with a 7 pattern flasher unit. So I don't know the cost of that also, but it was already fitted. So now what I'll do is I'll go through the stuff that I fitted and that I've removed. So the first thing is are these tires. So when I got the bike, or before buying the bike had been fitted with off-road tires, as you must have seen in the pic earlier. I'll just show it to you now. Okay, so I removed those and I fitted these new Apollo Alpha H1 tires front is a 110 70 17 and the rear is a 150 60 17. So what I told the owner was, you take the off-road tires for you, I'll put my tires and you reduce the cost of the bike. So he agreed with that and he did it. So that was one good thing. So the second thing I installed was this windshield. Now while riding the bike above 110 or above 120, it's very difficult. It just feels like every time you accelerate, you're going to fly off and reach on the second seat over there behind the pillion seat. So what I did was I just installed this windshield. It helps a lot, and I can cruise comfortably above 130 140 also. Okay, so the third thing right now are these mirrors. Now even in my previous videos, many of you all were asking from where do I get these mirrors. The thing is, I had got these mirrors from AliExpress, but unfortunately AliExpress has stopped and I couldn't get these mirrors anywhere else. So after a lot of searching, I found one video on YouTube and he mentioned this store called Techno Kan store. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll mention the link in the description. So if you all want to buy these mirrors or any other accessories, you all can go check out his store. Everything is genuine and very good quality, I would say. These mirrors just look amazing. I don't know, they transform the look a little bit of the bike. So I fitted these same ones on my NS200 also earlier. So you can go check out the store, link will be in the description. Okay, so coming to the fourth accessory which I fitted was this adjustable clutch lever. So as you can see, you can adjust it. There are 5 points of adjustment. This is the lever of the 2017 to 2021 Duke 390. So this is the lever that you get on the new 390. So I fitted the same one on my bike. It's very useful. Okay, so the fifth thing now are these fog lamps. For these fog lamps, they sort of ugly. This one is a little bit broken on the side and water goes inside, and this one is okay. Both of them work, but the thing is I don't like the look. I like to keep my bike a little simple. So I'm going to be removing those and I'll be fitting new projector fog lamps, which again I've ordered from that Techno Kan store as I mentioned earlier. I'll put a link to that in the description so you can check it out. Okay, coming to the sixth part that I installed, it was actually an iridium spark plug. So the bike came with a normal stock spark plug. So what I did was I replaced that one and I fitted an iridium spark plug. So the initial, when in the lower RPMs, the Duke 390 is said to vibrate a lot and have these knocking issues. So that has just been reduced by installing that. Okay, now coming to the seventh part or the cosmetic change that I've done. The seventh thing is these rim stripes. So as you can see, I've custom made these rim stripes and I got rid of the old black ones, the normal black ones that come. So I fitted these because I wanted my custom look on the bike. Yeah, so this was the 7th point. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. This is all I wanted to do. I just wanted to show you all introduce this bike onto the channel. So new content will be coming soon. If you have any video suggestions or anything, you can please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.